Welcome guys to part 2 on our instant Terra tutorial series. In this tutorial series on Unreal Engine / instant Terra, I'll be showing you how to import your Unreal Engine character to check the sizes. So a person asked me in a comment to do this video because he wanted to know, how do I know if the scales on my terrain is correct? So it's really simple actually. All you have to do is go up right here, click this, and then drag it out and put it anywhere you want, and then it'll drag you right next to it. So this is a 1:1 scale of the Unreal Engine mannequin, which is approximately 6 feet, which lets you know how big the scale is. And that's it. It's that simple. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. Leave a comment. I'm responding to every single comment right now, and that's getting a bit tough, but I'm sort of succeeding. So yeah, bye.